Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video I'm going to be testing out this brow code brow tint. I don't know why that was so hard for me to say. Okay, so I've decided to switch over to brow code for my salon, and obviously I need to test it out on myself. I have already patch tested myself. If you buy a tinting product, I don't care if it's professional, I don't care if it's from Boots, I don't care if it's from Superdrug, please patch test yourself, especially if you buy an eyelash tint. These are brow tints anyway, and I wanted to just try them out on myself to just see about timings and things like that. I'm probably going to do a few trial runs before I test it on clients, and I thought why not try it out on camera and share it with everyone else. So we're not going to beat about the bush, we're just going to kind of get on with this. So I'm going to mix up natural brown and black because I don't really want to go black. My eyebrows are black. My hair naturally is black. It's jet black. And but I like to have my eyebrows just a little bit lighter. Not a little bit lighter, i.e. I don't lighten them, but I don't want to make them like jet black. So I love that this comes with these applicators. You get a little tube. It's got 15 mils of product in it, and the cream oxidant is 3% 10 volume, and it's 100 mils. I will probably mix too much because I'm not used to using the product, but look how much you get in this. This thing's huge. Like I said, it's 100 mils. So that's the colour that I've got. Okay, I'm gonna get a little spoolie. I really like these thingy ones, silicone ones. I'm just going to brush my brow hairs up. I do really need to wax my brows. I'm going to zoom you in. So I'm just going to take my applicator and I'm going to work reasonably slowly. I'm going to coat the hairs just as they are. This does stain the skin. If you've not seen, and you know who Desi Perkins is, she actually had somebody, a professional, do her brow tint at home with brow code, and it was pretty impressive results. So I can do this on other people so much easier than I can do it on myself. It always takes so long doing it on my own. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes? Probably more like 7. It's like 5 to 12 minutes, I think it was. Okay, that's been 7 minutes. And don't mind my really horrible reusable cotton mound here. I literally used it to take off lipstick earlier. It's wet now, and we're just going to remove this. Like I say, I'm testing out times here, so this might not be long enough for my eyebrows. It might be too long. We don't know yet, but we are going to just remove. If you've got quite a lot of product on, what you can do, you know, like if you're doing clients, and you can actually use a cotton bud and scoop off the excess product first, you know, so that you're not dragging it across anyone's skin. And you have to take it off with something wet, because the wetness, like the water, is actually what deactivates the tint. So you could actually take this off dry if you wanted to, and it would keep developing until you deactivated it with the water. It's quite good for if you want to do a wax, so you can take the excess product off and then wax around it. This stuff does stain the skin a little bit. Some tints do, some tints don't. Obviously I've not got the best of shapes because I hate doing my own eyebrows. I can never, like this one I really like, and this one just annoys me. Okay. So I would say that that is all of the product off, and that's a really nice colour actually. So I'm going to come in close and I'm just going to show you. You can see the little bit where I totally messed it up there. But that gives you an idea of how this tint actually works. And I have really, you saw the before, I have really sparse eyebrows. There's no product left in that brow. So when I wake up tomorrow, that will be my brow. I could take some micellar water and scrub, and just, it'll fade off on its own anyway because I took it off early. So it will fade off more itself when I wash my face tomorrow, but this bit will be a little bit less sort of intense. but you can see that it literally looks like I filled in my eyebrow. Now, I don't know how long it's going to last. I'll probably put that in the description box below just so that I can get this video done, so it's not a long video. But that is a brow tint that is actually tinted the skin underneath. And it'll probably last 2 to 3 days, I would say. But your brows will be tinted for 4 to 6 weeks. I'm impressed with that. I'm really happy with that. This eyebrow, I would probably perfect the shape on a little bit more. I'm just always better at doing this eyebrow. I don't know why. It is a better eyebrow, and this one needs a lot of cleaning up, but it has done the same sort of job, if you know what I mean. It's tinted the skin underneath a little bit, it's tinted all the hairs, and I actually have an eyebrow now. I'm really impressed with that, and I can't actually wait to use it on clients. Like I say, when I do it on clients, their eyebrows are beautiful. I just cannot do it on myself very well. But it gives me a really good base now to be able to do my eyebrows off of, and like I would quite happily go out like that. This eyebrow is a slightly different shape than this one, but they always have been. So yeah, that is it. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. I cannot wait to use this product on my clients. It deserves the hype that it gets. I am delighted with that. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video.